yeah, skirt, oh, I been going on a honey. Look, they want no fear, cause he on it. Straight grindin', and since I been ballin', straight grindin'.
Okay, I fixed the rubber band. I had to pull this whole entire braid out, but I did that. So now I'm going to put these in hot water. Oh, also I tried to like cut so that like they're about the same. It's kind of hard to see because it's black, but try to make it like an equal length. Yeah, especially once I wear makeup, this will look really good. But I'm happy that I chose white rubber bands because I feel like it's cute and it matches like anything. And for my first time, this is pretty good for my first time ever doing this. It's gonna be like this. So guys, unfortunately, as you can see, I had to like, after that one rubber band broke, like 5 or 6 more broke. So I'm convinced that these are just low quality rubber bands. I see a little bit of frizz. I didn't do the anti-frizz thing with the foam because I'm just too scared that like I just don't want the wetness of the foam to like make my hair turn curly, and that's kind of what I'm afraid of. That's what happened the last time that I did. So I just kind of have like one scrunchy hair so that it's like keeping everything back. But this is the final look. It's not terrible. I mean, it's gonna have to do because I was supposed to get my hair actually done, but I had to do it myself because this girl did that to me. Anyways, I'm making breakfast right now. So I made some turkey bacon here. I like when it's burned. It's like really crispy. I like it crispy. I have some more right here. I made some scrambled eggs. And I'm making some breakfast potatoes in here. And I got some chopped parsley right here. Hey guys, it's currently 3:17 and I haven't really been vlogging much because I've just been like planning. I've kind of been like in work mode. I'm surprised I haven't taken a nap yet. I've just been planning, but I need to leave the house because I need to do laundry. I need to restock on items that I need for the week, like groceries and things like that. And also, did I say I need to do laundry yet? I need to do laundry. I need to buy rubber bands that won't break because clearly you can see like even the clear ones broke. So just the whole pack of rubber bands is bad. I'm glad I only spent $2 on that pack, but that was a waste of money. So I'm gonna go to an actual real hair store. I'm gonna go to Sally's and hopefully I can get better rubber bands there that won't break. I have so much left to do. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy how much I still have to do. And it feels like the day's over, but there's still some time left. So I'm just gonna try my best. I'm actually tired though. Before I leave the house, I'm eating actually right now. And I'm finally leaving the house. Finally. The first thing I'm gonna do is get gas. Oh shoot, did I even bring my cards? I think I left my cards. I might be screwed possibly, to be honest, but let's just, I guess I'm just gonna have to go to places that take mobile pay, because I think I left my cards in the house. After I get gas, I am going straight to Sally's because look at my hair right now. Like, all the rubber bands are broken and stuff. All of the rubber bands in that pack were a fraud. $3.69 for some gas. $3.69. Oh man. I just realized I was supposed to get gas and I drove right past the gas station. Honestly, this weekend I really wanted to have like a pizza movie night really bad. Like I just want that so bad. Just have like a night in, light some candles, order some pizza, have some drinks, and just have a nice movie night and chill. I could just be like by myself, you know, just wear a nice little relaxing outfit. I just want that so bad, and like I just can't do that this weekend because I'm not really prepared for the week. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I just put up to Sally's. The sun is really ooh. Okay, it says will not break. So guys, can you believe Stop and Shop has all this? And I think this is exactly what I want. I think. It's almost 6 o'clock and I went to Dollar Tree after I went to Stop and Shop. Tell me why. Dollar Tree had rubber bands for $1 and it was 600 of them. That's the cheapest I've ever found rubber bands for, and it's like the most amount that comes with one pack. So I thought about returning the ones I got from Sally, but I was like, let me not, because maybe the Sally ones might be like good quality. And the Dollar Tree had so many cute colors of rubber bands, like more than I've ever seen, but I said I don't want to risk using colored rubber bands again because they might not be as strong. Unfortunately, it seems like the black rubber bands are the only ones that are like strong enough, so I'm just gonna stick with black, even though they had really cute colors. I actually did buy colored ones at Sally too, so I'll try those first, and if those don't work, I'll stick with black. So I have to hurry up and do my laundry because you have to like put your load in by 6:30 and it's almost 6, so I'm just gonna go to TJ Maxx next door and see if they have resistance bands. Resistance band. Active way. I pretty much like got everything that I needed from the physical stores. There are a few things I need to get online, but in the meantime, while I wait for the laundry, I don't really know what to do. I know while my clothes is in the dryer, I want to go to the gym. It's starting to get cold outside, so I honestly kind of want to be like indoors. I just put my clothes in the dryer. I set the timer for 40 minutes, so I pretty much have 40 minutes to go to the gym and come back. I'm kind of ready to go home at this point, to be honest, but I still have to go to the lab, so there's that. My goodness, these cars are so slow. You guys can see I am a crazy driver, but you know, I'm responsible though. I don't get too crazy. I just pulled up to the gym, and apparently the gym is closed, I think. I don't know if this car keeps driving near me. It's super weird. I just checked their hours online, and they said that they're closed. But I saw a sign on the actual gym that said open 24/5. No, 24/8 or 25/8. Whatever that means. So I guess we're not going to the gym. We're gonna have to do something else. It's 7:54 p.m. I'm exhausted. But I got my laundry out of the dryer, so I pretty much did all my errands except for going to the lab. I'm honestly contemplating like going home and just going to sleep and then waking up early to go to the lab, but I know that whenever I do that, it's really stressful. So it's like, do I be tired now and less stressed later, or do I rest now and be more stressed later? That's what I'm trying to decide. So when I get home, I still have to like fold the laundry, put all the laundry away, put all the groceries away. I still have to do all of that, but that's another reason I'm not sure if I should stay out, because I still have to do all that stuff when I get home too. And then I have work in the morning. So you can clearly see what I decided. I'm gonna just try and attempt to do this, because the stress that I get the morning of group meeting when I'm not prepared is really bad. Like, I get really, really bad anxiety. I just don't feel like having that tomorrow, so I'm just gonna get this over with. Try to do this as fast as I can. So, I am going to set a timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I know this is bothering me. But anyways, I'm setting a timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's the most time I'll spend in here. All I'm gonna do is make this presentation for tomorrow. I'm not even gonna try to like get more data. Well, I'll only get data if needed, but like I'm not gonna try to like do research stuff. I'm just focused on like having this presentation made. Once it's made, I'm out. I'm not doing anything else because it is pretty late. I have been here this late before, but I haven't ever started this late. This is pretty late for me to actually start anything. So I'm trying to just push myself, because I think I saw like there's other people in other labs working right now, so they kind of motivated me. Just seeing that motivated me, and also the fact that I don't want to have anxiety tomorrow, like waking up knowing that I have to rush here, because I get really bad anxiety if I'm not prepared for things. So yeah, we'll see what I can do. I have my laptop right here, so we're gonna just start and see where it goes. Okay, so I'm working on the presentation, These are old images. I decided I'm not gonna try to start a new image today. I'm just not. Like, it's just late. I'm not doing that. So I'm trying to finesse. This is what I have so far. I made this slide tonight. That's an old slide. That's an old slide. That's an old slide too, but I added this right here. This is an old slide. This is a new slide. I'm gonna add a picture right here with the image that matches these values. I'm probably gonna do this slide, and then this is just the last slide. I said that the orca holder is recognized, but I didn't even try it, but I'm gonna assume that it is. Actually, I'm just gonna take that off because I don't want to lie. So what if I say it's recognized and then it's not recognized? Anyways, it's 9:08, so my goal is to be completely done and leave here by 9:30. So I think I'll make that goal.